Meme coins is all anyone's talking about right now. It is the new gambling. All the money has moved out of trading options on Robinhood, the casinos, and everyone is betting big on meme coins. We have a pro-crypto president, and the money is flooding into the industry, and you keep hearing story after story of overnight millionaires, people putting $20 in Peanut the Squirrel and making $2 or $3 million. Those stories are real. You know, meme coins are just straight up gambling. 99% of these coins are rug pulls. And usually, you know, it's just the insiders that make money. So if it's the insiders that make money, you probably need to figure out how to make your own coin and market it. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step of how to make a meme coin and launch it. And the rest is up to you. Meme coins is all marketing. So if you have influence, you can monetize that influence with a meme coin, and you are seeing a lot of celebrities do that. The majority of these celebrity coins have just been straight up rug pulls because it's not them doing it. They're hiring a company and then boom. So follow me as I guide you through how to make a meme coin. This is the first step. You need to go to oriontools.io. And once you are there, the first thing you're going to want to do in this right-hand corner is you're going to want to connect your wallet, sign into your wallet, and it will be connected. So you need to come up with your meme first. A lot of the hot memes that have done really well, it's like instant, you know, Peanut the Squirrel, or like something happens socially and that person instantly makes it and then it starts trending. Or it's an already existing meme and then you bring it into the, play. And when you're looking to do memes, go to Deck Screener, see if someone's already made it. You know, if there's already a live meme, you wanna come up with something new, or if they're dead, it's all yours. So come up with your meme. You come to the name, put whatever you want. I'm doing need money for Porsche, symbol Porsche, decimals 6. The higher amount you want to do on the supply, the lower the decibels. You can look that up. So if you want to do like 1 billion, you go lower decibels. I'm just doing 6. I'm doing a 500 million coin supply. Then you're going to come right here. You're going to upload your image. If it's like rectangular, you want it to be square so it looks, nice and pretty on Deck Screener and all of the, exchanges you're going to list it on. Then just a brief description because dreams ain't cheap. Now you come down to here, revoke freeze. This revokes it so you can create the liquidity pool later and make this a live coin. That will be step 2, which is when you add liquidity so the coin can go live and actually be traded. We'll do that in a minute. And then the second thing is revoke mint. This is also very important you do. This revokes the ability for more coins to be made. Absolutely no one's going to buy a meme coin that has an unlimited supply. It's got to be a fixed supply. So highlight those two right here. Make sure those are clicked. Your wallet's connected. And then we are going to click create token. Hopefully this goes through. And make sure when you're doing this, you have enough Solana in your wallet. You need Solana to convert to buy this. And if you don't have enough in that wallet to cover the transaction, it will fail, which won't be good. My Wi-Fi is a little slow, so we will give this a second while it goes. So the token was created successfully. You should get a little pop-up in the bottom right that has the transaction address of your token. And that's it. Your token's created. Now you need to add liquidity. That is the step 2, which I'm going to show you how to add liquidity to your token and make it live so it can start trading. And hopefully you become a meme coin millionaire.